Offspray. And with that, we see one of the attributes that makes the Offspray so suitable for special operations. Namely, Suffolk coming in for a transition, because we're going to see a roll demonstration here from the aircraft. Making what's known as a penetration descent, in for a normal approach to a run-on landing, and we should see the Offspray touch down somewhere near the centre point of the runway. As you can see, the rotors have now transitioned. The engine's a pair of Rolls-Royce Allison AE1107C turbocharts. Those rotors have a diameter of 11.6 metres or 38 feet each. Well, in fact, not touching down the centre points as we expected. And lifting off again in fairly short order. Was first to bring the Offspray into service with the NV-22 variant, but the CD-22 for US Air Force Special Operations Command followed soon after. And the type is used to perform long-range missions in support of Special Operations forces, infiltrating them, resupplying them, and then exfiltrating them upon completion of their mission. The type has a combat radius of around 500 nautical miles with one internal auxiliary fuel tank, but of course the aircraft could air-to-air refuel from MC-130 Hercules to give a range of over 2,000 nautical miles and endurance of circa 5 hours. The Offspray can carry a .50 machine gun on the rear ramp, and of course it's got a hoist and the so-called fast roping equipment for the rapid deployment and extraction of Special Operations forces. They can also jump off the rear ramp if necessary. Difference between the two versions, well, the Air Force's Ospreys have got more fuel capacity than the Marine Corps, and they're flying 4 crew as against the 3 of the MV-22. The CD-22 we see here, equipped with a terrain-following radar to help operations in the low-level environment. And a very good view of the open rear ramp with the ramp-mounted gun. Very good view, especially for those of you on the RIAT stand, of the Offspray manoeuvring at low level at Milton Hall with what's now 350 seconds of acceleration. The Offspray has resurrected that unit's vertical capabilities, which used to be provided by by the Sikorsky MH-53 paid low helicopter. They're building up to a full complement of 10 Ospreys.